As we approach 2024, the world of blockchain and cryptocurrency continues to evolve at a breakneck pace. These digital landscapes, once considered the frontier of technology, are now becoming part of our everyday lives. From the way we invest to how we interact online, blockchain and cryptocurrencies are reshaping our world. But what exactly is blockchain? Simply put, it's a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions across many computers. And cryptocurrencies? They're digital or virtual forms of currency that use cryptography for security. But this is just scratching the surface. Today, we're going to delve into 6 narratives in the blockchain and cryptocurrency space that are worth investing in for 2024. These narratives will give us a glimpse into the future of this exciting field and show us the potential it holds. So buckle up and let's embark on this fascinating journey. Welcome to Advancement Unlocked. First on our list of narratives is real-world assets, or RWAs. These are assets that exist in the physical world or off-chain, but are now being tokenized and transferred on-chain to act as a source of yield in decentralized finance, or DeFi. You might be wondering, what exactly does this mean? Well, think about things like real estate, precious metals, commodities, even art. These are all tangible real-world assets that have significant value. In the traditional sense, these assets are a core element of the global financial system. For instance, in 2020, the global real estate market was valued at an astounding $326.5 trillion. The gold market cap wasn't too shabby either, standing at $12.39 trillion. Now imagine these vast amounts of wealth being tokenized and transferred onto a blockchain. This is exactly what's happening with RWAs in the crypto space. A growing portion of RWAs are focused on leveraging US Treasury bills and high interest rates as a way to offer investors lower risk yields. Companies such as Ondo Finance are at the forefront of this movement. They're taking these real-world assets, tokenizing them, and integrating them into the DeFi ecosystem. This process allows for a more fluid transfer of assets and can potentially unlock vast amounts of wealth that were previously inaccessible or illiquid. It's like having a piece of art worth millions of dollars sitting in a vault somewhere. By tokenizing this art, its value can be divided into smaller, more manageable pieces that can be bought, sold, or traded on the blockchain. This is a game changer not just for the owners of these assets, but also for potential investors. It opens up new avenues for investment and diversification that were previously out of reach for the average person. In a nutshell, RWAs are revolutionizing the way we think about and interact with our physical assets. They're bridging the gap between the physical and digital worlds, and in doing so, are carving a niche for themselves in the blockchain and crypto world. Another narrative gaining momentum is decentralized social media, or DeSo. The world of social media is undergoing a profound shift, moving away from centralized control and towards a more democratized, decentralized model. Imagine a social network where you, the user, are in complete control of your data, where privacy is respected, and where the profits are shared among the community, not hoarded by a single corporation. This is the promise of decentralized social media. Platforms like Friend.tech and Stars Arena are leading the charge in this exciting new frontier. These platforms leverage blockchain technology to ensure transparency, security, and most importantly, user control. On these platforms, your data belongs to you, not to advertisers or big tech companies. Friend.tech and Stars Arena have shown incredible growth in 2023, with a combined total value locked, or TVL, reaching a high of $52.77 million on October 2nd. This is a clear indication of the increasing popularity and trust in these platforms. But what does this mean for you? It means an opportunity to be part of a social media revolution. It means a chance to reclaim control over your online presence, to engage with others on your terms, and to benefit from the value you create. The rise of decentralized social media platforms is not just about technology or finance. It's about people. It's about giving power back to the users, about fostering genuine connections, and about creating a more equitable digital world. But remember, as with any new technology, there are risks involved. Always do your own research and understand what you're getting into before you jump in. And most importantly, remember to stay safe online. The future of social media is here, and it's decentralized. It's a future where the user is king, where privacy is respected, and where the value created is shared among all. Decentralized social media platforms are reshaping the way we interact online. Next up, we have artificial intelligence, or AI. Now, it's no secret that the world of artificial intelligence has been expanding at an extraordinary rate. Just in the past 2 years alone, we've seen some significant growth and development in this sector. One of the main players that's been making waves is ChatGPT, which has been grabbing headlines since November 2022. This advanced AI has been paving the way for a new era of human-computer interaction, demonstrating the power of machine learning and natural language processing in a way we've never seen before. But it's not just ChatGPT that's been in the spotlight. There's a bit of a rivalry brewing between tech giants Google and Microsoft. Microsoft has thrown down the gauntlet with a staggering $10 billion investment in OpenAI, the research group behind ChatGPT. Not to be outdone, Google has entered the fray with the release of its own chatbot, Bard. This competition is fueling rapid advancements in AI technology, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in this exciting field. Now, what does all this have to do with blockchain and cryptocurrency, you ask? Well, as these AI technologies advance, there's been a rising interest in AI projects and coins. These are cryptocurrencies that are tied to AI projects, and they've been seeing an upward trend in their prices. Investors are beginning to realize the potential of AI in the crypto space, and they're putting their money where their mouth is. By combining AI and blockchain, it is possible to create more secure and efficient cybersecurity systems for individuals, businesses, and governments. AI can be used to detect and respond to threats, while blockchain tech can ensure the security and integrity of data. The growth and development of AI in the blockchain and cryptocurrency sector is truly a testament to the power of innovation. With tech giants like Google and Microsoft leading the charge, and with the increasing interest in AI coins, it's clear that AI is here to stay. The future of AI in blockchain and cryptocurrency is bright, and it's definitely something to keep an eye on. AI continues to make strides in the blockchain and cryptocurrency sector. The integration of these technologies is creating a whole new world of possibilities, and it's exciting to see where this journey will take us next. The fourth narrative we have is Layer 1 blockchains. Layer 1 blockchains are the bedrock of the crypto world. They are the primary blockchains upon which all other projects are built and developed. These foundational blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum are what makes the entire decentralized ecosystem possible. Here's a way to think about it. Imagine the blockchain universe as a city. Layer 1 blockchains are the infrastructure, the roads, the bridges, the power lines. These are the systems that allow everything else in the city to function. They're the base layer, the underlying architecture that supports everything else. These Layer 1 blockchains are not only crucial for the infrastructure, but they also carry a significant amount of value. Think of Bitcoin, the first Layer 1 blockchain. Its value is not just in its currency, but in the revolutionary technology it introduced to the world, the blockchain. But let's not forget about Ethereum, another Layer 1 blockchain that has been a game changer in its own right. Ethereum brought us smart contracts, making it possible to execute complex transactions and agreements on the blockchain without the need for a central authority. So, what does the future hold for Layer 1 blockchains? Well, the potential is enormous. As more and more projects start to build on these foundational blockchains, we can expect to see a surge in innovation. We're already seeing this with the rise of DeFi and non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, both of which are built on Layer 1 blockchains. However, it's not just about the here and now. Layer 1 blockchains are also laying the groundwork for future innovations that we can't even imagine yet. They're paving the way for a decentralized future where power is distributed more evenly among individuals and where we have more control over our own data and assets. In conclusion, Layer 1 blockchains are not just a narrative to invest in, they're a narrative to believe in. They represent the promise of a more decentralized and equitable future, and they're just getting started. Layer 1 blockchains are laying the groundwork for the future of blockchain technology. Another intriguing narrative is that of Bitcoin Ordinals and BRC20 tokens. Ordinals are a recent buzzword that's been making waves in the Bitcoin universe. This new trend began in January 2023, when software engineer Casey Rodermore deployed the Ordinals protocol on the Bitcoin blockchain. This innovative move allowed the minting of NFTs directly on the Bitcoin mainnet, an event which marked a significant moment in Bitcoin's history. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly are these Bitcoin Ordinals? Well, in the simplest terms, they are Bitcoin's version of NFTs, as they are new ways to store text images and data on the Bitcoin network. They can be thought of as unique digital assets, each having their own distinct value and identity. These ordinals are minted via a process called inscription, which is essentially the act of crafting these unique tokens. However, this development has sparked a wide range of reactions from the Bitcoin community. Some have expressed concern, viewing the introduction of NFTs as a potential threat to the sanctity and security of the Bitcoin blockchain. They fear that this could lead to an overload of the network, compromising its functionality. On the other hand, many Bitcoin enthusiasts have welcomed this new development with open arms. They see it as an exciting opportunity to expand the use cases of Bitcoin and bring about a whole new level of dynamism to the cryptosphere. Now let's shift our attention to BRC-20 tokens. These are a type of token that comply with the BRC-20 standard, a set of rules and guidelines for issuing tokens on the Bitcoin blockchain. BRC-20 tokens are similar to ERC-20 tokens, which you might be familiar with if you've dabbled in Ethereum. In conclusion, this recent narrative of Bitcoin Ordinals and BRC-20 tokens is definitely shaking things up. It's a fascinating tale of innovation and controversy, and it's sure to keep us all on our toes as we navigate the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency. Bitcoin Ordinals and BRC-20 tokens are certainly stirring up the crypto space. Last but not least, we have the narrative of blockchain interoperability. Now you might be wondering, what exactly does that mean? Well, it's pretty simple. Blockchain interoperability is the ability of different blockchain systems to share information and interact with each other. It's kind of like how you can send an email from a Google account to a Yahoo account. They're different systems, but they can still talk to each other. You see, in the early days of blockchain technology, each blockchain operated as its own separate universe. They couldn't communicate or interact with each other. This created a lot of inefficiencies and missed opportunities. Imagine if you could only send emails to people who use the same email provider as you. It wouldn't be very practical, would it? So why is blockchain interoperability such a big deal? Well, it opens up a world of possibilities. It allows for seamless transactions across different blockchains, creating a more interconnected and efficient blockchain ecosystem. It could enable a person to use their Bitcoin to interact with Ethereum-based applications, for example. Or it could allow data to be shared between different blockchains, making them more useful and powerful. But it's not just about making transactions easier. Blockchain interoperability could also lead to new types of applications and services that we can't even imagine yet. It could create a whole new level of innovation in the blockchain space. Of course, achieving full blockchain interoperability is easier said than done. It's a complex technical challenge that requires a lot of research and development. But many experts believe that it's only a matter of time before we see significant progress in this area. Blockchain interoperability is already starting to make waves in the cryptocurrency world. Projects like Polkadot and Cosmos are working on solutions that could make blockchain interoperability a reality. It's an exciting time to be in the blockchain space, and we can't wait to see what the future holds. Blockchain interoperability could very well be the next big thing in the world of cryptocurrency. As we delve deeper into 2024, these narratives will continue to shape the blockchain and cryptocurrency landscape. We've journeyed through the realms of real-world assets, DeSo, AI, Layer 1 blockchains, Ordinals, and interoperability. Each narrative holds a unique promise, a glimpse into the future where blockchain and cryptocurrencies are not just technical jargon, but integral parts of our everyday lives. So, which narrative will you invest in first? If you enjoyed this content, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to Advancement Unlocked. Until next time, keep learning, A-Lockers.